Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkLaTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkLaTexHomepage.com app. And as we look at that pattern, you can see the large ridge of upper level high pressure that extends from basically the southwestern U.S., Mexico, through the Gulf and into the Atlantic. That's what's keeping us dry and relatively hot here, and expect this ridge to continue to dominate our weather pattern for most of the week ahead, as it will gain some strength and shift a little bit to the west. But nonetheless, we will see at least a little bit of rain, but not really a whole lot, as we'll discuss here in a second. Meantime, temperatures tonight will be a little bit warmer than last night. We had low to mid 70s, actually mainly low 70s last night. Looking at lows tonight, mainly in the mid 70s, including 74 in Texarkana, 76 in Shreveport, and 75 in Natchitoches. Daytime highs tomorrow, once again, will be a few degrees above normal, as we'll top out in the mid to upper 90s, right around 96 in Texarkana, 97 in Shreveport, 98 in Minden, and 97 for the high temperature in Marshall. Heat index values could approach 105. No word yet on any heat advisories, but it's definitely going to be a possibility here during the course of the next several days. Looking at Robin Stewart of Futurecast through the nighttime hours tonight, we will see a partly cloudy sky with some low clouds late. Most of the night will be mostly clear, but again, some low clouds could develop late. We'll see a mix of clouds and sunshine tomorrow, mainly southern fourth of the Arklatex. So south of Interstate 20, for the most part, 10% maybe shot for that random shower or thunderstorm, but the vast majority of the area will stay dry. We'll see a partly cloudy sky for tomorrow night. You might remember yesterday, Futurecast was showing some rain moving into the northern sections of the area Sunday morning. It has taken that out and come in line with other models. So we will likely see dry conditions for Sunday, as you can see here, with a partly cloudy sky. Again, rainfall chances 10% or less. And then going through Sunday night, we will see that partly cloudy sky once again as upper level high pressure will continue to dominate. And here's a look at that upper level ridge. Again, still kind of flat here for today. Notice how it builds back up right there into the plains and extends from northwestern Mexico into the central plains, actually centered over the panhandles of Oklahoma and Texas. That will be enough to keep our rain chances very low. But as we move past the first part of next week and into the last half of next week, you can see that ridge will weaken somewhat, and that's going to allow maybe just a little bit better chance for that random afternoon thunderstorm towards the end of the week, although it does appear as if the better rainfall chances will be to our east over towards Mississippi and Alabama, if you believe this model. Other models do have, again, some of that rain over us. But nonetheless, rainfall chances looking rather slim for most of the weekend. Again, here's the pessimistic model, just kind of show you that if you get some rain, it's not going to be much. Most of the area probably less than a quarter of an inch, the way it looks right now. Again, some models a little bit heavier over the south and east, but again, probably will be looking at the below normal rainfall. So all that said, 7-day forecast for Shreveport showing you highs right around 97 for the next several days, easing back into the low to mid 90s by the end of next week. Nighttime lows will stay in the mid 70s. In Texarkana, and again, you can see at best 20% shot of for the rain. In Texarkana, 95 for the next several days for the most part. You'll also ease back into the low 90s with nighttime lows mid 70s, cooling to the low 70s by the end of next week. So all in all, it looks like a rather typical August weather pattern. Not really a whole lot as far as rain in the week ahead. Temperatures near, if not a few degrees above normal, both during the night and during the day. And as far as rainfall chances, might see a little bit better shot over the south and eastern sections of the area, especially for the last half of next week.